हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू गारू क्लासेस। आज एक न्यू टॉपिक आपके साथ डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ। द टॉपिक इज टाइप्स ऑफ डेरिवेटिव। डेरिवेटिव कितने टाइप्स का होता है? बेसिकली देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स: फॉरवर्ड, फ्यूचर्स, ऑप्शन, स्वैप। टुडेज लेक्चर में हम 2 टाइप्स के डेरिवेटिव डिस्कस करेंगे, फॉरवर्ड और फ्यूचर के बारे में। एंड नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करेंगे ऑप्शन एंड स्वैप के बारे में। So let's start forward contract. Forward is one of the oldest form of derivative, and in case of forward contract, there are two parties agreed for purchasing of a certain quantity of asset at a predetermined price for a future date. एंड फॉरवर्ड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में क्या होता है? 2 पार्टीज होता है, एक बायर एंड सेलर, उसके बीच में एग्रीमेंट होता है फॉर परचेजिंग ऑफ सर्टन क्वांटिटी ऑफ एसेट के लिए, एंड प्राइस फिक्स्ड होता है at the time of making contract, and the contract will be executed in future date. Clear it? In forward contract, the buyer is in a long position who purchase the asset, and in forward contract the seller in short position who sell the promised asset. Clear it? Now we discuss the features what are included in forward contracts. The first feature is over the counter trading. It means it is a purely or privately arranged agreement होता है, and it is traded only private parties, not traded in securities market. Second features, down payment, means in case of forward contract there is no need of payment at the time of making contract. Okay, first features over the counter trading. Second features, no need of a down payment. Third features is settlement of maturity, means in forward contract the maturity will be completed, means asset can be transferred at the end of the maturity period. And the fourth features is linearity. Linearity is one of the special features of forward contract. इसके अंदर क्या होता है? the buyers has options. When price fluctuates, they gain profit or loss. Okay, means if price increases, then he divert from contract, means he cancel the contracts, and if price loses it, he can execute the contract. Okay, linearity का एक special features ऐड होता है forward contract में. The next features, no need of secondary market, because it is a privately arranged agreement होता है. And settlement of delivery of asset, and delivery of asset at the end of maturity is one of the essential features of the forward contract. Means at the maturity period the asset must be delivered to the buyer. Okay, next डिस्कस करते हैं फॉरवर्ड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के सॉरी फ्यूचर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के बारे में. फ्यूचर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्या होता है? इट इज ये ऑर्गेनाइज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, इट इज वन ऑफ द स्टैंडर्डाइज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, मीन्स ऑल द एग्रीमेंट प्रोसीजर्स इज फॉलोड बाय द लॉ and it is enforceable by law. So what are the features available in forward contract? That will be similar to the future contract also, but only difference is that forward contract is a privately arranged agreement होता है, but future contract is organized agreement होता है, means standardized one. Okay, the future contract का फीचर्स हम डिस्कस करते हैं. फ्यूचर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का फीचर क्या होता है? द फर्स्ट फीचर इज इट इज ए ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एग्रीमेंट होता है. ऑर्गेनाइज्ड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मीन्स एनफोर्सेबल बाय लॉ. द सेकंड फीचर्स क्या होता है? द सेकंड फीचर्स होता है डाउन पेमेंट. इन केस ऑफ फ्यूचर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट देयर इज नीड्स टू पे certain sum of money at the time of making contract. मनी कितने का अमाउंट होता है, द परसेंटेज ऑफ मनी फिक्स्ड of the contract price and that will be deposited, and it is this price is deposited is called initial margin money, and next settlement of the future contract. Basically the future contract is till the maturity of the date it will be completed, but profit or loss is calculated on a daily basis. And the next features is hedging of price risks. Hedging of price risks means here eliminates price risk because it is one of the organized agreement, and the securities are traded in stock markets, and margin money also deposited. If you can cancel the contract, then you forgo the get back of the margin money. Okay, and it is eliminates price risks, price fluctuation risks. Next feature क्या होता है, नॉन लिनियरिटी मीन्स फ्यूचर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के अंदर नॉन लिनियरिटी का फीचर्स होता है. इट मीन्स हियर if price fluctuates there is no chances of cancellation of the contract. Next features क्या होता है, non delivery of asset means at the end of the maturity period there is no need, means there is no essential for transfer of the asset to the buyers. Means asset transfer हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता है, but it is not mandatory. Means delivery of asset is not mandatory, it is not essential for making the contract. Okay, और फ्यूचर्स का टाइप्स कितने हैं, फ्यूचर्स का दो टाइप होता है, एक कमोडिटी फ्यूचर्स, सेकंड फाइनेंशियल फ्यूचर्स. ओके, another two term we discuss, one is strike price, another is spot price. Strike price क्या होता है, at the times of contract those price are decided, that is called strike price or contract price. Contract price strike price same होता है, and spot price क्या होता है, spot price is called market price. Market price spot price similar होता है. Okay, next we compare the difference between forward contracts and future contract. Future forward contract में क्या क्या difference होता है. Basically forward contract is a purely private arranged agreement होता है, but in future contract it is standardized one होता है. And the forward contract it is not traded in securities market, but the future contract the securities are traded in stock market. And in forward contract no need of secondary market, and future there is need of secondary market. In forward contract there is need of intermediary for making the agreement or for making the contract, but in case of future contract there is no need such types of term used like intermediaries. And next features क्या होता है, delivery of asset. The delivery of asset is compulsory in forward contract, but in case of future contract the delivery of asset at the maturity period is not mandatory or not essentials. The next features क्या होता है, in forward contract there is no need of any money payment at the time of making contract. It means no need of margin money, but in case of future contract there is need of margin money. Okay, and so thank you for watching Garu classes. Please like, share and subscribe to the Garu classes. Thank you for watching Garu classes.